Who would have thought that there was a place to stay in the vibrant urban area of Kuala Lumpur that's classy yet affordable and easily accessible but tucked away in a peaceful spot? Located less than an hour from Kuala Lumpur International Airport, our favorite Chow Kit Hotel was booked through Albresa Travel. It is located at the heart of Old Kuala Lumpur. Upon entering its premises, one is immediately immersed in simplified luxury. Calm and comfort envelops you. A stark contrast to the bustling modern life outside. Check-in is straightforward. The very friendly and competent front desk staff is willing and able to answer all your queries about Malaysia and requests about your stay. Just show them your passports and pay the Malaysia Tourism Travel Tax and you're done. There is no need for a security deposit.
Hello, happy Pinoy travelers, and welcome to Malaysia. I'm right here now in Kuala Lumpur, kung saan we're checking out the Chow Kit Hotel right in the middle of the city. So, this is the Kingdom Room. Pagpasok mo sa kanan, may sitting area, small writing area, tapos may malaking TV. When you go forward, nandito yung bathroom, kung saan makikita mo yung sink with complete towels. Nandyan yung toilet, kung saan walang bidet, but you can bring your own tabo. Nandiyan yung shower area with brass fittings and complete yung accessories na nandiyan yung sabon, lotion, everything you need. Tapos may malaking city view. Nandiyan yung MRT. Tapos over here, nandito yung daily water na, by the way, when you go outside, pwede nyo to i-refill kasi on each floor may refilling station. Sa baba naman, nandito yung safe, hair dryer, at may maliit na refrigerator. Ito yung king size bed na medyo malambot. And it's nice kasi, again, just like the other countries that we go to, maglalakad tayo at masarap matulog sa malambot na kama, na malamig ang aircon. Tapos, at ito, masarap gawin dito sa Chow Kit because it's very dark, masarap, very comforting dito, parang bahay. So, we'll see you soon on our next Travel Happy.
Chow Kit Hotel is part of the Arman Group. With 86 rooms and 27 suites, we stayed in the King's Den room. The room in this boutique hotel are bigger than in most hotels. All rooms feature a smart TV, luxury linen, daily water bottles you can refill at stations near the elevator, a digital safe, a hair dryer, a mini refrigerator, thick towels, and organic toiletries made for Chow Kit Hotel by Genie Botanicals. One thing to note is that the toilet does not have a bidet. Remember to bring universal plug adapters to charge your gadgets using Malaysia-type electric outlets. Other room categories include the den room and the luxurious Lady Boss or Tao Queso suite. Facilities in the hotel include function rooms for groups and events and a well-equipped bar by the lobby where you will get our favorite cocktail, the Asamboy Pomelo. The area also serves breakfast and is a restaurant throughout the day. Good chicken limak and scrumptious French toast with berries are among the morning choices. We cannot get enough of the durian creme brulee, a house specialty. There is a 7-Eleven for late-night munchies across the street. On the other hand, there is the Soku Mall, where you can find a department store, a grocery store, and fast food outlets. Chow Kit Hotel is just 3 to 5 minutes by foot from the nearest Medan Tuanku MRT station, which leads to Bukit Bintang. This is where the famous KL Twin Towers, shopping malls like Pavilion, and money changers are located. We cannot emphasize enough that Chow Kit is one of our favorites. We are proud of this place and are sure you will enjoy your stay, whether with or without the bidet. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated on what's new in our next travel happy videos.